Assalamu alaikum. So, dear students, in first part, we understood how a caterpillar went into the cave of rabbits. Sorry, hares. Okay, hares. Then hare asked for help to Jackal, but Jackal could not help hare. Okay, then hare went to the leopard and rhinoceros. Just we saw the picture photos of rhinoceros. Okay, and leopard. Both are both are very dangerous and wild animal and very huge animal. Okay. Okay, so he went to leopards and he turned to a leopard and rhinoceros and elephant and beg means to request. Okay, to request them for help. Then he asked to help to leopard and rhinoceros and elephant. Okay, and beg them for help. When they reached the spot, okay, means when all they reached in front of the cave. Okay, spot mean in front of the cave. Okay, for helping hares. Then they heard the caterpillar's booming voice. They all ran off. Means such as biggest animal, such as big animal like leopard and rhinoceros and elephants. They heard what did they heard? They heard the booming voice of caterpillars which was coming into the cave. Okay, and what is that? Means caterpillars was he was telling, it is I crushed the rhinos, I trampled the elephants. Okay, so all became frightened and they thought about it. Means they understood there is a very dangerous animal inside the cave and it can it can be it can be killed us. So we, we so we don't have to stand here, we should go from there. Okay, so like this thinking they went off from there. Then what happened? Here also became very humble and very hopeless. Okay, now so here the poor hare did not know what to do. Now hare was not understanding what should he do. Okay, so then he was thinking about like this. Okay, just then a frog, do you know about frog? Means mendak. Okay, a frog passed by means guzarna, and the hare told him his story. Okay, means hare told all details about his story. Means what happened with him. Okay, about caterpillars, jackals and rhinoceros, leopard and elephants. So frog was listening of his story and understood. No problem, dear hare, I will help you. Okay, मैं आपकी मदद करूँगा. He was telling, now come with us. The frog went to the cave. Okay, means in front of the cave, in the corner of the cave, frog and hare went, okay, into the cave door and shouted into it. So what did frog shouted? Yes, you can see he shouted, I am the strongest of all. Okay, I am the strongest of all. Have come at last. Okay, मैं सबसे खतरनाक और सबसे बड़ा, ओके, सबसे ज़्यादा ताकतवर, पावरफुल एंड क्रिएचर हूँ. आई एम द वन. ओके, आई एम द वन हु इज टेलिंग दिस. यस, द फ्रॉग इज टेलिंग इनटू द डोर केव, इनटू द केव डोर. ओके, आई एम द वन, मैं वो हूँ, हु क्रशेस दोज, उनको कुचल चुकड़ देता हूँ. किनको? दोज हु क्रश द राइनोस. आई एम द वन, और मैं वो हूँ, हु ट्रैम्पल अंडर फुट, जो अपने पैरों के नीचे कुचल देता हूँ. किसे? दोज, उन लोगों को. हु ट्रैम्पल द एलिफेंट्स, कि वो क्रिएचर, वो एनिमल्स को जो हाथियों को अपने पैरों के नीचे कुचल देता है और राइनोस को सुकड़ देता है. मैं ऐसे क्रिएचर को भी क्या करता हूँ? कुचल देता हूँ, सुकड़ देता हूँ. द फ्रॉग्स वॉइस इको. नाउ दिस टाइम Frog's voice echoed from the walls of the cave. Okay, अब फ्रॉग की आवाज़ जो है वो इको के ज़रिए अंदर गई. ओके, एंड फ्रॉग्स वॉइस कैटरपिलर लिसन हर्ड. ओके, उसने सुना एंड अंडरस्टूड. ओ नाउ दिस टाइम कैटरपिलर्स फ्राइटेंड. इस वक्त जो है कैटरपिलर डर गई कि इतना ख़तरनाक एनिमल जो राइनोस को भी क्या करता है, सुकड़ देता है. ये राइनस को सुकड़ने वाले एनिमल को सुकड़ देता है और हाथियों को कुचलने वाले एनिमल को भी कुचल देता है. तो ऐसा इट मीन्स इट मे बी वेरी डेंजरस क्रिएचर इज आउटसाइड द केव. ओके, नाउ दिस टाइम फ्रॉग्स फ्राइटन. अब ये सुनते हुए ही अंदर जो है कैटरपिलर जो बैठा हुआ था वो फ्रॉग की इको वॉइस को सुनकर डर गया. और फिर क्या हुआ, देन व्हाट हैपन, द फ्रॉग्स वॉइस इको फ्रॉम द वॉल्स ऑफ द केव व्हेन द कैटरपिलर हर्ड. जब कैटरपिलर ने ये चीज़ को सुना तो क्या हुआ, ही ट्रेम्बल. ट्रेम्बल मीन्स यस, शुक विथ फियर. शुक मीन्स यस, थर थर काँपना. ओके, लरजना, ट्रेम्बल्ड. देन कैटरपिलर ट्रेम्बल्ड, वो बहुत ज़्यादा थर थर काँपने लगा. एंड ही वॉज फियरिंग, ही वॉज फ्राइटनिंग. ही थॉट मीन्स कैटरपिलर थॉट. कैटरपिलर ने सोचा, आफ्टर ऑल आई एम ओनली कैटरपिलर. आखिरकार मैं एक छोटा कैटरपिलर हूँ, लिटल क्रिएचर, लिटल एनिमल. एंड एनी वे, ओके, आई डोंट लाइक द लाउड इको इन दिस केव. नाउ दिस टाइम he was frightening and he was understanding that I don't like, मुझे अब ये पसंद नहीं है कि मैं इस केव में इको आवाज़ को सुनूं. The caterpillars, yes, then what happened, the caterpillars crawled. Okay, at last the caterpillar crawled. Crawl means yes, walking. Okay, how, yes, move forward with the body kept close to the ground. Okay, ज़मीन से रेंगते हुए आगे बढ़ना. So the caterpillar again crawled out of the, now this time he was coming outside, out of the hare's den. Dens means yes, the cave. Okay, got it? Hope you would understood. Okay students, now this time caterpillars crawled out of the hare's cave and the hare went back home. Now after the helping of frog, hare went back home. So here, dear students, we understood that being a huge or powerful, okay, being a large and powerful is not enough. The little frog was not powerful, you know, little frog. Yes, are they powerful? No. Are the frog powerful? No. Frog very weak animal. Okay, and it is not a powerful and strong, but it was a intelligent. Means we should have intelligent. If we are weak, no problem. If we are small, no problem. But we have intelligence, then we can get anything and we can face any problem. Okay, so dear students, we have so we should have intelligence to face any troubles or problem. Got it? So here we understood that when the caterpillars went into the cave, nobody could not help the hare, yes, to get freedom from caterpillars. Yes, but rhinoceros and elephant, leopards are very, yes, they are unsuccess to get freedom from the caterpillars. वो नाकाम हो गए कैटरपिलर से हेयर को आज़ादी दिलाने में. बट अ लिटल फ्रॉग हु इज़ नॉट अ पावरफुल एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग देन लेपर्ड, राइनोसरस एंड एलिफेंट, इनके बनिस्बत तो ज़्यादा ताकतवर भी नहीं थे फिर भी, बट फ्रॉग हैज़ इंटेलिजेंस. सो बाय द यूज़ ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस ही, yes, he made live to hair. okay, उसने जो है हेयर को छुटकारा दिला दिया किससे, कैटरपिलर से. होप यूड अंडरस्टूड. सो हाउ मेनी कैरेक्टर्स आर देयर? यस, देयर आर, yes, main characters hare and caterpillars, then jackal, leopard, rhinoceros, elephant and frog. So how many characters are there? There are 7 characters. Okay, but main 2 characters are there, hare and caterpillar. Okay, so I hope you would understood the story. So first of all, give the answer. Yes, who helped her at last, means who helped the hare at last? Yes, I hope most of students will be answering. Frog helped here at last. Okay, and what did frog? Yes, how is the frog? Frog कैसा है? Yes, in all animals. Yes, frog is wisest animal in all animals. Okay, which we saw in this story. Okay, hope you would understood this story. So dear students, you have to solve this question in next video. We will solve questions and answers. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to listen this video and understand what is given in this story. Okay, and as well as you have to read the lesson at least 2 times. Okay, will you read? I hope you will read, inshallah. And you have to learn by heart meanings. Okay, meanings and copy in book number 1, and hard word also you have to learn and copy in book number 1. Okay, hope you understood. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.